glued in here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. I think this was one of my free gifts. I don't know if it was this color or the other one. Okay, another eyeliner. Matte lip. It's gonna fall. Ooh, what is this? I think this is a set spray. Oh no, this is a foundation. Okay. So that's the what color foundation is this? This is the 810 2AY. Say on top? It does say on top. This is caramel. Deep tan with neutral undertones. 83115. Okay. Ooh, a nice, what is this? This is sheer slick lipstick. This is sheer slick grapefruit. Okay. Same, but this is now dragon fruit. This is not gonna stand over here. Let me do this over here then. We're gonna do that. Is it gonna stand? No. Leave it here then. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, okay. Got the SuperTone. It's a toner spray with brightening fruit acids, it says. Superhero alpha hydroxy from fruit acids. It has some aloe, some witch hazel, some castor oil, some citrus, some lemon oil, and just some glycols, I guess. I think I put this into my cart initially. I thought I took it out. It's kind of tall. Ooh. It's kind of tall. Yeah, okay. I should have another foundation out here somewhere. I've got another eyeliner, but this one is a navy blue color. Okay. Oh, it has blue on the side as well. I don't know if you can see it. It's a blue. Okay. Got another lip color. So the other one I have is, oh shoot. The other one I have is I have Scarlet Night and Wine so far. I think there's a third one. Got a liquid matte. It's a liquid matte, and this is also wine. So, oh, this is Wine Tour. So I've got the matte color, I guess, pencil. Oh, it has a sharpener as well. Nice. Matte lip color. It says sharpener included. I've got the liquid matte tour. I feel like this might be like a Fenty type. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I've got another sheer slick. This one is golden pear. Okay. This is the mist. Set, illuminating mist and set spray. That's, I think it's usually 4. I think online it was 5. This is just clear at the back. Oh, here's the other foundation. I like how it's in this separate bottle. I saw this at the CVS, and I was like, I'll just order it online. That way I can order more stuff. This is now, this is the chai color. So let me see what the other one says. The other one says, oh, and the front of the box also has a matching number here. So here are the 2 colors. I've got chai that says it's a tan with peachy undertones, and I got a caramel, a deep tan with neutral undertones. Okay, put this back on. Oh, is that it? No, I've got one more. I should have 17 items, I believe. Oh, and I've got this matte lip color Rouge à Lèvres matte red intense. It's a Rouge intense. It says rich red. Excuse me. So let's see how many items I have. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Okay, let's start with this. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So this is my haul from E.L.F. I'm not gonna put it in as nicely as it was packed. I guess I'm just gonna have to write everything down. I will say I ordered this, I think on the 26th. It listed as shipped on the, I ordered this on the 26th. It listed as shipped on the 29th. I didn't pay anything for any extra expedited shipping or anything. And it came, I was watching the email, the tracking link that I got through my email. I didn't get any text messages on my phone to let me know that it had arrived. Apparently it was just sitting down there. So my mom came in, she picked it up. So it shipped on the 7th, it shipped on the 29th. Today's the 5th. So it got here in a week. I guess it shipped from California, maybe? Let's see if I can see where it says it shipped from. Oh no, it shipped from Ohio, it says? Okay, it shipped from Ohio, according to the package from Ohio. So I'm not sure why it took 7 days from Ohio if it shipped from Grove City, Ohio. But I don't mind too much. I don't know. This is a lot taller than I expected, so that's a positive. And skincare tends to be expensive, so that's a positive. It says this nice little thing right here. It says, "Don't mess with my skincare." That's cute. You know, and I was very excited because I don't have too many brands I really buy from. But I usually only buy the set spray from E.L.F. the occasional lip thing from E.L.F. I've had this before from E.L.F. I don't necessarily think I bought it. Oh no, wait, is this cracked? No, it's just the way that the gel is inside. So yeah, exciting times.